Oh goodness. More stuff. Alright, more tranny stuff. There it all is. Okay, well, we got some stuff. New valve body. Nice and sealed up in a nice plastic bag. We got steelies. Got probably the hub there. Probably the gaskets here. What do we got? I don't know. Those are heavy. Who knows what that is? But anyway, we'll cut them open. We'll get this thing going. Do you guys know where all this stuff goes? I don't know if I remember. Wow. That's a lot of stuff. So that's stuff for the tranny. We got it all here. I'm gonna start tearing into these boxes, and we'll make a video. Bam! Here we are. I usually have razors just kind of laying around, but at this moment, I'm gonna pull out another one. We're good. We're good. How you doing now? We're good. Ooh, look how pretty she is. Alright, is this the correct rooster comb? I'm hoping. She's party compared to that. 4617003-4. 4617003. No -4. What does that say? DuPage? What the heck does that mean? Anyway. CVB. That must be the guy who overhauled this thing, this sucker. Nice. So supposedly this has got everything updated, quote unquote updated. That's pretty gross, this stuff here. Oh my God, my hands got grease on them. No. Just kidding. I mean, that doesn't even smell like tranny fluid, but it is. Oh wait, that's got to be flipped up the right way on top of there. Look at that. She sure is nice. Okay, flip her over. Flip her over. Look at that. Oh, look at that wimpy thing they put in there. That's clear fluid. It almost smells like transmission fluid, but it's clear. Probably just something they use for the dyno to test it. Nice, look at that. Can't wait to run that. I'm just not happy about how tiny that is. See? Let me show you. Let me show you something. Look at the difference. This is a Borg Warner. I may just go ahead and put that one in. Or not. They're easy enough to actually change out when the transmission's in the truck. It's just the draining of the fluid and getting greasy and then dropping the pan and all that stuff to replace that. But I don't do a lot of heavy towing, and not anymore. So maybe I'll just run that in there, call it good. Cool. Sweetness. What's in the rest of this? Here, let's set this down here. Let's see. What's in this? Okay, this should be the right bearing. I don't know if you guys remember in the last video, I had ordered the wrong bearing. That looks more like it. That goes there. Cool. Don't know if that needed to be changed or not, but it does have 260,000 miles on it. So why not, huh? What's in this handy dandy little box here? Handy dandy. It slices, it dices, it cuts open boxes. Sometimes. Would you looky here? We got a drum. Boom, 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 boom. No, not that kind of drum. This kind of drum. Huh. That must be to balance it. That is really strange. This one no heavy, this one heavy. All right, well, that one's getting retired. Here. No. Don't do it. Okay, this one's retired. These are all retired, except for that one. We're gonna need it. Gone. Yep. Gone, gone, gone. Not that. This. And this. Gone, gone, gone. Let's just set these over here on the floor. Set them aside. Make some room up here. That's gonna go with this. And since we bought a new one of these, this one can be gone too. Wait a second. Look at that. It's got some damage on it. Nice little chunk taken out there. Could that have been part of my problem? Losing pressure? Just notice that. Oh, this is pretty damaged. Let's take a gander. Do you want to take a look? Do you want to take a gander? I got a rocket in my pocket. Okay. Yeah. Damage. It's got some van damage. Yeah, that's pretty chewed up. Look at that big old chunk out of there. What am I gonna do? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replace it. I think I have another one of those seals. Bye-bye. Okay. With a sweetness and a quickness. These are in wonderful condition. That's weird. Why does it go in that way and not this way? Because I'm an idiot. Idiot. You know what I probably should have done? Probably should have slid this little member in there first. That's probably what I should have done. Come on, all of you. Oh, quit playing. Okay, just playing. Playing around and around and around and around. So. So, does this rooster comb, well, where's that other one at? Well, that's supposed to be for a diesel. Let's go ahead and run it. Let's check compatibility. They look identical, except for that piece, which stays in here and came out of this one. Why is that? It probably needs to be pressed to make it stay in there. But we're not gonna, nope. Just put this in a bag and set it aside. Kind of like that idea of flipping that around. Return label for the core. .48 RE valve body diesel rebuilt Sonex updated, fits 2003 and up. Alrighty. Alright, where were we? Oh, okay. I'll figure out how to ship this back to them and what box to ship it in later. Alright, what do I do with the labels? It's important. Hey, let's get back to business. What we have here is a pump gasket. Nice. One pump gasket coming up. I mean, there really wasn't anything too ugly about this one except for maybe that spot right there and the fact that it's, you know, old. probably been used 3 times since I've taken this thing apart, or more. Probably a lot more. Here we go. What we have here is Christmas in August. That's what we got. Merry Christmas to me. Oh, just what I always wanted. Gaskets. Yeah. Yes. This gasket goes to that, and this gasket goes to the other part of that, which is in one of those boxes. Oh, these are heavy. Notice how I said these, like I know what's inside? Because I do. I do. Looky. Clutch. Steelies. Which ones do I need? The rest, I had to buy the whole pack just to get the ones that I needed. Which I believe are... Where are they at? Oh, here they are. Yep. No, not these ones. Not these. What is this? It must be these. Yep. Because these are the big ones for the forward drum. Nice. Well, at least I got more for the forward drum. I'm going to need to measure these and... Come on, you're sticky. So, cool. These are the ones I'm going to need. These possibly be used for another time. Hopefully I don't have to. Yeah, use that. Okay. You guys remember what box I had all those clutches in? You see, and this did not come. Oh, yeah, it did. With a seal. And the 2 little plugs. Plug that off. Anyway, that's where this gasket goes. Something like that. All right. Now those. What else shall we find? What other goodnesses do we have? Oh, did we already look at this? Wow. Far cry from the other one. Fresh and new. Fresh and burnt the hell up. But not on that side. That looks good over here. But on this side? No way, man. So, here we go. Actually. Okay, so good. Good. Good, good. All right. Where do we start? Probably putting this thing back together. Yeah, there it is. This occasion. USA, Japan. Well, Japan's better than China. 5014N. Even the same. Much better. She ain't gonna slide on that way. Done. All right, clutches are all in. Oh, yucky tranny fluid. Yeah. Nasty tranny fluid. Okey-dokey. You guys are gonna need one of these that centers everything up. Let me see. What we got here? And make sure she's all nice and clicked into place. Heavy unit. This is a heavy unit. Shall we go ahead and just put this back into the housing? All right, I think we can pull that out now. Or, no, should probably leave it in there. We'll leave that in there, keep everything lined up. Why did I put one extra one? I think it was because I didn't get the clearance. So let's go ahead and put these in the right way. All right. These have been soaking for a little bit. You say tomato, I say tomato. Why don't we just call the whole thing off? Because I say vanilla, you say vanilla. Why don't we just call the whole thing off? I think I got one too many discs in there. See, the diesels take 6, and I think the gas take 5. But right from the factory, they must have ran out of these and gave me a gas overdrive unit. I noticed that the first time I rebuilt this. This is a gas unit, not the diesel unit. 6 plates required for diesel, 5 for gas. So yeah, let's pull a couple of these out, call it good. And still just don't seem right. Let me do a little bit of reading here. How am I going to get a wavy and a straight in that single little groove? And I need my glasses. Okay, forgot to put the snap rings on the bottom, not the top. Top gets something like that. So fat one goes in first. Just ask anyone. Guys, make sure you dip these new discs in for, good 15-20 minutes, I guess, in some fluid. I don't know what the exact number of minutes is. Just make sure that they got a good amount of fluid on them. Try not to land these either wire rings or snap rings in the larger grooves. I guess it's okay in the tighter ones. Yeah, 6 is for diesel. Put these back into the package. There they are. Now my truck is a diesel. They sent my truck right from the factory to the dealer into my hands with a gas overdrive in it. Probably not uncommon, but it's I'm not happy about it. No siree, Bob. Not happy about it at all. Okay, so here we are. Oops, we still got a little bit of glue there. It's not goo, it's just an old gasket. Probably makes no difference, but I kind of am a stickler about things. Ask anybody that knows me. Okay. Overdrive housing assembled. So right now I'm checking on my, where was I? All right, I think I was checking the distance of the performance discs. Yeah, that's huge. That's huge. A little too much there. Am I going to be able to get in there? No. So, let's see. And that's even bigger than that. But we are allowed to 4 millimeters. Come on now. .404. And it says here we're allowed up to 409. That's a lot of gap. Should I leave it that thick, or should I add a disc? Okay. Yeah. Alright. Let's see, how big is it? Still kind of thick. Let's add 17 thousandths. That feels You also got to do it on the high side, not the low side of the wavy. Here's a high side. Let's add 9 thousandths. Still. Add 15 thousandths. We'll take away. I'll take away the 9. Just 15. That's pretty tight. Let's take away 15 is about the smallest I can take away. That's about right. Okay, so that's how thick it is. 3.66. Between 2.5 and 4.09. So basically between 4 millimeters and 2.5 millimeters. And I'm at 3.5, which is pretty good. These ones were really, really thick in there. When I had all of these stacked in there, it was 2.39, so it was like under the 2.5. So, do I run it like this? I'm thinking I'll be all right running it that way. These are all looking really good. Okay. What I don't want is this to somehow rise up and then get itself wedged in like that. That would be bad. So I'm going to swap these over. I'm going to put my extra steel there, one that gets me right in between the measurement. So this one can't, you know, rise up and get stuck in there because it's so thick. So that's what we're going to do. We'll put that one in. And measure it one more time. Okay, that's within spec. All right. Here's the new reverse drum. Let's drop it in here. Soak in there a minute or 2 or 3 or 10. Keep your workspace clean. All right. Don't go in there. I'll tell you what does though. This goes in here. Yep. Just like that, kind of. Anyway, that doesn't go in just yet. We'll just put her there, old pal. All right. Let's see, where are we now? All right. We just put this one together. Rear forward clutch clearance should be 25 thousandths to 36 thousandths. Let's check it. There's 26 thousandths. It's pretty tight, actually. This is actually 26, so it says 25, but it fits in there. Now, the way you can change that clearance is with a thinner snap ring, which I do not have. I don't have a thinner one for that. Well, there's no way I can change that right now. 26 thousandths. Goes in. Perfect. All right. Well, I may order a thinner snap ring for that so that I can get my clearance in here. This is kind of tight. I mean, I really got to push it in there to get it to go in. So it's probably tighter than 25 thousandths. Six 0.635 millimeters and 0.9, so almost 1 millimeter. All right, so let's check this out again. So here's 0.660. 0.635 to 0.914. That's tight. What's making that tight? Should I have that down? Well, that does make that looser. Quite a bit looser. Really strange. Well, I wanted to put this together tonight, but I'm really worried about how tight that is. So done, done, not done. Okay, this has got 2 plugs in it, so those 2 plugs got to go in there. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't check this. Well, this one's loose on there too. Same as the other one was loose. I guess they don't have tight tolerances for these. They just kind of fit the way they fit. Dr. Tranny Assembly Goo. Dr. Tranny Assembly Goo. Got blue, got green. Man, she's almost ready to go together, except for I don't trust that, how tight that is. So, let me look up a new snap ring, a thinner one, so I can get my clearance, and then we'll see what's up. All right, so we'll see what's up. We'll be right back after these messages.